Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how I got my lock extensions to lock super fast. So I've had them in for about 2 months now, but also my real hair was locked first for about a month. So my hair has been locked all together for about 3 months. And I am telling you, these things are locked. I didn't think they would lock this fast. And when I say they're locked, I mean they're locked. Like I can feel the budding in my hair. Like I can feel it in the middle that, it's like the budding is super locked and in there. And then the extension is locked to my hair. I can feel all of that together. Now, are they fully matured locks that will never ever fall out? Maybe not. But when I say the locks, they are locked. And I love it. I'm so excited and so happy because I didn't think it was going to lock this early. And I know there may be some skeptics out there who say they're not locked yet, or, I'm new to locks, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. And I am new to locks, but I know what's happening with my hair, and I can tell my hair is super locked. I wish there was a way I could show you and tell you that it's like locked, but look at it. This is my real hair up here, and this is the lock, and you really can't see a difference. But also at one point, I had 2 small locks, so I was going to combine them kind of, or yeah, I was kind of trying to fix it. And so I was like, oh, they shouldn't be locked that fast. So I'm fine. I'll be able to do it. I'm picking at it. I'm pulling, I'm doing all this stuff. Which probably wasn't great for my hair. But I'm doing all this stuff trying to get my locks to come out. And it would not come out. I mean, it is locked in there. And yeah, it's locked in there. So I want to tell you guys how I did it. What is happening, what's helped me. I'm not a professional loctician. I always give that disclaimer. I'm always going to give that disclaimer. Do I know a lot about locks? No, but do I know about my own hair? Yeah. So like I said, I'm not a professional, but this is what helped me. And I did watch other videos, of course, too. So the first thing, there's a few things I did that helped my hair to lock super fast. Hopefully it could help you. It may not, but we'll see. So the first thing is salt water. So I saw a few YouTubers and they were saying salt water helps your hair lock really fast. So some of them were saying, go get, salt water from the beach if you can, or when you go swimming at the beach, that helps your locks or whatever. And so I decided, we live right on the beach. We live 5 minutes down the street from the beach. My husband literally went to the beach, filled up a bottle for me. I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it all over my hair. And I don't do that too often. I would say at the beginning, I did it probably once a week. I would literally spray, especially in my roots. When I had my real hair was locked and when I had the extensions, both times, every week, I would spray salt water, legit like sea salt water all over my hair. And that, I definitely could feel that helps. Because if you think about it, when you go swimming, especially when I used to go swimming, we go swimming all the time in the beach. I would come out, my hair would be so tangled. Like I would have to detangle it so much more than if I just went swimming in the pool or anything. So that really does help the locks like really lock in there. I don't know the science behind it. I'm not trying to act like I know everything, but it really helped my hair lock very fast. Because for me, I feel like 2 months is, a pretty good amount of time for my locks to be so locked in, like none have fallen out. My hair was pretty short. My hair was really short. No locks have fallen out. So I feel like that's a pretty good timing. So that's the first thing, is I do the salt water spray once a week. The second thing is I leave it alone. I do not touch my locks. I do nothing to my locks. This is how I wear it every day. I don't try to put it up in a ponytail. I don't try to put it in cute little styles. I do nothing. This is how I have had my hair I've had locks in for almost 2 months. I have not touched it. I haven't tried to do anything. I also do not retwist it. I have not retwisted it yet. I actually like the puffy roots. Like I love when it's like fluffy and puffy and all that. I actually like that look. So I'm not like, maybe that'll change, in the future when they get longer or puffier or thicker. I don't know. But right now, I'm okay without retwisting it. I like the look of like the puffy, fluffy roots. I'm okay with that. So I haven't retwisted it. I have not styled it. I don't add any products to it. The only thing I do in the morning is rose water and castor oil. That is it. I don't touch it. In fact, I don't even wash it. Now, I know some people may, be disgusted by that. That's not appealing to them. But my hair, even when I didn't have locks, I really didn't need to wash my hair that often. My hair does not get buildup very often because I don't use a lot of products before or now. I don't have dandruff. I've never ever had dandruff. My hair has never had any smells. My locks don't have any smells. So I've never had to wash my hair that often anyway. And even now, I do not have to wash my hair often at all. So it's been a while since I washed my hair. So when I say don't touch it, I literally don't touch it. I don't do anything to it. So like I said, in the morning, I wake up, I do this. This is mixed with rose water. This rose water and glycerin right here. This is by Heritage Store. This is rose water and glycerin. I put that mixed with this, mixed with regular filtered water. And I just spray that. This is the, what's it called? 360 Mister, I think. And I don't know if I just made that up or not. But yeah, so I just spray this all over every morning, and that's what I do. I literally, I go through it a little bit, but then besides that, I don't touch it. I don't try to style it or do anything with it after. And about once a week, if not less, because sometimes I forget, I put my castor oil in this bottle with a tip. I go through there, put that in my roots, and then just take a little and squeeze it onto the actual locks. And then that's it. I tie it up every single night. I do not skip a night of tying it up. If I'm walking around the house, I tie it up. Like if I'm just like, resting on the couch, whatever, I tie it up. It's always tied up. So that's when I say I don't touch it, I mean I don't touch it. I leave it alone. And I feel like that has really helped it to lock, because I just leave it alone. I let it lock. I let it do its thing, Now my third thing is not really something you can help or you can do or you can change, but I think it's something that has aided me in my hair locking so fast. I have 4C hair, and I have like 4C hair. I have very, very extremely kinky hair, and that has, I feel like that has helped it lock up. So if you're out there and you're thinking about locks and you have 4C hair, definitely go for it. I mean, anybody should go for it for sure. But if you have 4C hair, girl, let me tell you, then I think, like I said, I'm not a loctician, but I think that really is something that helped it, because my hair is super kinky. It's always been super kinky. And this is a time that super kinky is like really, really helping me out, because these locks, even my real hair, like I can feel the budding in my real hair. It's so locked and like tangled and dreaded in there. I'm just like, yes, it's working. So that one, like I said, you can't really change that, you know what I mean? That's just something I'm telling you guys, that if you do have 4C hair, then it probably will lock faster, or it probably will help it lock faster. Or if you're thinking about getting locks and you have 4C hair, then definitely go for it. And like I said, if you have any kind of hair, go for it. But yes, those are a few things that I think have helped me. Hopefully they will help you. And like I said, I found these from other YouTubers, and I've tried them. I've implemented them in my life, in my lock routine, and it has helped me. So that's why I'm passing the knowledge on from you. I didn't make this up. I'm not saying I made any of this up. Especially the rose water and all of that. I got that from my sisters. They've been locked for years. So a lot of the tips and tricks I have, I'm getting from my sisters who have been locked for probably 20 years. So I'm not saying I made anything up and I'm a genius and you should follow me because I have all these great lock tips. I am just telling you I've used other people's tips and they've worked. But you should follow me though. You should definitely subscribe below. That'll make me very happy. And also follow me on Instagram at Tyffanie Shari. So that is all for this video, guys. I have some great videos coming up, including coloring my locks. I will be doing that soon. So make sure you subscribe so you can follow my lock journey. And I will talk to you all later.